Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. Principles of Inheritance and Variations with Mutations concept. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the concept of mutation and its types along with mutagens. The term mutations, it was first time coined by one of the scientists called Hugo de Vries, and he worked on a plant called Enothera lamarckiana. The common name is evening primrose. Mutation is the sudden, inheritable, discontinuous variations in organism that is occur due to change in either chromosome or gene. The process by which such type of sudden structural changes occur either through an alteration in nucleotide sequence of DNA coding for a gene or through a change in the physical arrangement of chromosomes, these are called mutations. A mutation is an alteration in the nucleotide sequence of the genome of an organism. This change can the DNA sequence, particularly in genome. These changes can be because by environmental factors such as ultraviolet radiation from sun, or can occur in an error is made as a DNA copy itself during cell division. Mutation can result from DNA copying mistakes made during cell division, along with that exposed to ionizing radiation, exposing to some of the chemicals called mutagens, or sometimes it is caused due to infection by viruses. Mutations can affect an organism by changing its physical characters is called phenotype. It can impact the way DNA codes the genetic information is called genotype. Some mutations in DNA that do not have an observable effect in an organism, especially its phenotype, such type of mutations are called silent mutations. These silent mutations do not affect the function of a protein. It is considered as neutral mutations. Mutations appearing in germ cells or reproductive cells are called germinal mutations. Such type of germinal mutations can be passed from one generation to next generation into the offsprings. But the mutation which appear in the body cells are called somatic mutation. They are not passed on the progeny except in case of clone which are formed with asexual reproduction. The guanine thymine mutation is the single most common mutation in human DNA. It occurs about once in every 10,000 to 1 lakh base pairs in structure of DNA. The types of mutations. The first type of mutation is genomatic mutations. In this, these mutations occur due to change in the number of chromosomes. The second type of mutations are chromosomal aberrations. These chromosomal aberrations occur due to alteration in the structure of chromosome or in the sequence of genes in its arrangement. The third type of mutations are gene mutations. These gene mutations occur due to change in the chemical structure of gene at molecular level. These are the three types of mutations. At the same time, according to their mode of origin, mutations are basically two types. In this, the first type is natural mutations or spontaneous mutations. In this, a mutation which occur by itself without affecting by mutagens. For example, during the process of DNA replication, spontaneous mutations arise at remarkably with a constant ratio called natural mutations or spontaneous mutations. The second type is artificial mutations or induced mutations. A mutation which occur itself affected by mutagens, for example, ionizing irradiation, UV light, and wide variety of chemicals called artificial mutations or induced mutations. The mutagens are the factors helpful for introducing mutation in living cell. Such type of mutations are broadly grouped into two classes. One is called physical mutagens and second one is called chemical mutagens. The physical mutagens like temperature. If temperature increases, its rate of mutations also increases by breaking of hydrogen bonds in DNA structure. The physical mutagens compresses mainly radiation. In this, the ionizing particulate radiation like alpha particle, beta particles, protons and neutrons can cause mutations. The ionizing non-particulate physical mutagens like X-rays, gamma rays and cosmic rays. The non-ionizing radiation like ultraviolet rays, it causes thymine dimer formation in the structure of DNA. These are physical mutagens. In similar way, the chemical mutagens, different classes of chemicals or chemical mutagens have different mode of action during mutation expression. Nitrous acid, alkylating agents and base analog. In applied genetics, it is useful to speak of mutations as either harmful or beneficial. In a harmful or deleterious mutations, the mutation decreases the fitness of an organism, and a beneficial or advantageous mutations increase the fitness of the organism. A neutral mutation has no harmful or beneficial effect on organism. The harmful mutations may cause genetic disorders or cancers. Especially, a genetic disorder is a disease caused by a mutation in one or a few genes. A condition caused by mutation in one or more gene is referred as genetic disorders. A human example is cystic fibrosis. A mutation in a single gene, it causes the body to produce thick or sticky mucus. This mucus that can clogs the lungs and blocks the duct in digestive system and causes cystic fibrosis. The importance of mutations. The ultimate source of all genetic variation is due to mutations only. Mutation is important as the first step of evolution because these mutations can create a new DNA sequence for a particular gene, creating new alleles in a population. Some mutations occur that is beneficial to an organism. These beneficial mutation includes things like lactose tolerance, rich color vision, and in some and also resistant to HIV infections. The recombination also can create a new DNA sequence for a specific gene through introgenic recombination. The genetic mutations, it creates genetic diversity which keeps the population healthy, and many mutations have no effect at all. The conventional mutation techniques have often been used to improve the yield, quality, disease and pest resistant in agriculture crop or to increase the attractiveness of flower and ornamental plants in horticulture. The natural selection act on traits which result in mutation, for those traits bring passed on to the next generation. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like, share my videos to your students and friends.